Currently, I'm in my Shopify cart page, and here we can see the checkout, taxes, discounts, and shipping calculated at checkout. So all you have to need to remove these feature from checkout on your Shopify, follow these easy steps. Log into your Shopify and go to online store. And here, this is the current theme I'm using. So I'm clicking on this three dot next to my current theme. And here clicking on edit default theme content. Once your theme content page, click on this filter items box and type here. Here type calculated at checkout, and under cart here you will find 4 boxes for taxes include shipping at calculated box. So this is the first box, second box, third box, and the fourth box. So you can edit calculated at checkout text from this field, or you can completely delete text from these 4 taxes boxes. So let's delete all text from these 4 boxes. And now just click on save. And after that, I'm reloading my checkout or cart page, and here we can see the calculated at checkout feature successfully removed from my cart or my Shopify store.